Oh, is what happened to you? I'm obsessed with me? You obsessed with me? No. Guys, Marcus Kiki, and for today's video ay maglalaro tayo ng bagong laro na tinatawag na Krampus. Isa siyang horror game na na-download natin sa Play Store na mayroong 100k download, and why not subukan nating laruin. Pero dahil step pero ito magaling ay mag-subscribe pa na yan, click mo yung bell para maging updated ka sa mga bago nating i-upload mga videos na kaya na to. So let's go na, play the game. Dahil astig tayo pero ito magaling, ghost lang tayo pero hindi. Easy lang syempre, easy na lang, okay na yan. Alright, continue. Continue, okay.
16 years old, misbehaves, likes to fight, and keen for vandalism. Let's see. After getting involved with the wrong people, he started to live with his grandmother in the mountains. Great. Just the way I like it. This.
Yeah. Ako lang takot ako sa'yo. Ha? So, nagising tayo sa isang bahay at maganda yung graphics. So, may electric pan dito. Oh, that's very nice. At may sulat dito. Ano nakalagay? I'm glad you come live with me. I've been living alone in this mountain for a long time. Okay? Kasi nga, wala kang jowa. Okay? Oo, pwede tayo magtago dun. Okay? Don't be seen by enemy. Kapit lang siya dito.
This is what.
So, kailangan pa hindi tayo makikita ng enemy. Ano to? Ang lawak ng bahay mo, ha? King. Teka, para saan tong king na to? So, what the... Okay. Oh. Basement key. Shit. Oh! Is what happened to you? I'm obsessed with me? You obsessed with me? No. You're obsessed with me? Play again. Game over. Sheesh. Ang lupit mo, Berto. You look nice. So, yung mga gamit dito is nandito lahat sa kabila. Merry Christmas! Oh, diba? Queen? Ay! Ayoko na, boss. This is what happened to you, motherfucker. You look nice naman. Boss, sinabol mo na naman ako, boss. Ano bang kasalanan ko sa'yo, bossing? Bossing. You look nice, bossing. Bossing, hinabol mo na naman ako, boss. Hindi ko na makita. May wriggles na ako. Kaya ba wriggles na may eyes? Ano meron dito? Siguro dito mo din nadala yung mga babae mo, no? Huh? Chicks? Dami niyo mga chicks, ha? And feeling pieces for you. Okay. Jimmy! Hi! Alam mo, napakabuslog mo. Okay na ako pala maglakad. Come here now. Okay, so tingin ko dito matapos ang videos natin, and pagkata siya, and yun lang, and kung gusto nyo part 2, comment down below, and yun. So, next video na lang, stay ko, bye!